Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about the COUGAR Duoface RGB PC case. So friend, COUGAR has unveiled the Duoface RGB, an E80X compatible middle tower PC case with the choice of two front panels. And friend, the mid tower PC case has a 4mm thick tempered glass front panel and mid specification ventilation panel options. And friend, it is a device with adequate accessibility such as support for the E80X form factor and the left side features and introducing tempered glass panel. And standard equipment includes two 140mm ARGB fans on the front and one 120mm ARGB fan on the back, and it also features a dust filter that sides out. And when a total of 5 cooling fans can be installed, two front 120mm or 140mm fans, two top 120mm or 140mm fans, and one rear 120mm or 140mm fan. Furthermore, the water cooled radiator can support a maximum of 280mm in the front, 280mm in the top, and 140mm in the back. And when the driveway arrangement include two 3.5-inch bay, two 2.5-inch bay, and 7 and 3 expansion slots, and it can accommodate a graphics card up to 330mm in length, CPU cooler up to 190mm in height, and power supply unit up to 160mm in depth. E80X, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX form factor are all supported. And front I/O includes USB 3.0x2, USB 2.0x1, audio jack into 1, and RGB buttons. And the outward dimensions are 230mm wide, 368mm deep, 491mm tall, and comes with weight of 6.9 kg. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.